welcome back to my channel, QueenGemBeauty, and it's your girl Queen back with another video. So today's video is going to be a Splendies unboxing. Yes, I am about to unbox these Splendies for you guys. You guys know that Splendies is like one of my favorite subscriptions to talk about, and you guys also know that they call their plus size line Volupties. So technically these are my Volupties. But yeah, I will have all their information down below, even a coupon code for you guys to save a little bit off. Seriously, you can get 3 pair of undies for almost less than $12 a month when you sign up with my code. And you guys, regular price is about $16 a month. I will have all the information linked down below. I really like Splendies. Your package comes super discreet. You guys have heard me talk about them here before. I will link the rest of the playlist of all my other Splendies unboxings in the description below, so you guys can check out previous unboxings and kind of get a feel for how, you know, how I love the Splendies brand and how I talk about them and how they fit and all that stuff. You can get all that information in some of my previous videos. But yeah, today we're just going to go ahead and unbox these. These are my April ones. Now lately I haven't, you guys know I haven't really been on my channel, but I haven't really been unboxing them, only on my Instagram. If you're following my Instagram, sometimes I will show a couple of pair in the stories that I get from Splendies, because you guys, I really love this brand and I think they are super dope and they always have some really cute styles. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Okay guys, so I have opened up my Splendies, and every month they come wrapped up in this super cute tissue paper. You get 3 pair of undies every month, and y'all, let's be honest, being a plus size girl and trying to find cute plus size underwear sometimes is the pits. And so I love that you have an online panty subscription that can come to your house every month. The package is always super discreet, and I mean, you always just get something really cute for your money. And the best part about it is that you get 3 pair of underwears a month for less than 25 bucks, for less than 20 bucks almost. And yeah, these are cute. Okay, so they just this month they was getting real risque. So I already unwrapped them. I'm going to show you the 3 pair that I got. This month I got a thong package, so they're all thongs. So the first one right here, these are really cute and they look like they're going to be super comfortable. So this one right here is a Splendies brand. They all retail for like about $12, and I always get the size 3X. Now they do have a package size that goes up all the way up to 4X, but I always get the 3X. And some undies do come in half sizes like 3X, 4X, or 1X, 2X, so do keep that in mind, and you can always change your size. So this is the first pair right here. These are really cute. Like, these are, I like these. Like, they're very, like, the design is super basic, but I think I like it because I'm loving purple right now, and the purple vibe is it. These are, again, like I said, thongs. They look very, very comfortable. They also almost have like this microfiber type of feel, but they have a lot of stretch, I can tell, and these are just gonna sit well on the booty and look real comfortable. So I can't wait to try these out. The next ones are these really cute green ones. Y'all, these are super cute. Like, they're like this mint green, perfect for spring. And also, I think you can put in your section where you're checking off what type of underwear you would like. I do believe that you can check off that you want all thongs or you want all boy shorts or whatever. My personal favorite in panties are always going to be boy shorts, because I am not a big booty Judy, okay? So I'm gonna tell you, boy shorts are always gonna make that booty look good. It's gonna make that thing look like it's banging, okay? So okay, get you some boy shorts if you are not a big booty Judy. But these right here are really cute, you guys. Again, I love the like mint green color because, again, it's like spring vibes. And again, this one is another Splendies brand. I do want to tell you that sometimes Splendies do have underwear that are not always the Splendies brand, and this last pair is the perfect example. So this pair right here, y'all, has to be my favorite hands down in the entire package. It is like this lacy, y'all, this lacy thong, but look at the back. Like, the back has this really cute like high waist lace piece. It is just really cute. Like, these are very sexy. The light blues, that's like some Hey Zaddy action, okay? These are really cute and I really love them. This one is by the brand Miss Vicky's Intimates, and hands down, like, out of all the undies I have gotten, Miss Vicky Intimates are always like my favorite. They are so freaking bomb. So you can get 3 pair of underwear that retail for 12 bucks a pair for pretty much less than $25 a month straight to your door. You can't beat it. It's like bang for your buck. And these are really, really cute. And I love that I got an all thong option this month. Like, these are cute, honey. These are sexy, okay? Hub's gonna like these, all right? But yeah, these are really, really cute. So again, I got these ones right here, which are Miss Vicky Intimates. Again, they do retail for 12 bucks. I also got these really cute mint green ones again. I really like the back of these mostly more than the front, because the front is a little bit basic, but I love the color. So these are still really, really cute. And then last but not least, I got these purple ones again. And again, I just think these are really cute, and the fabric is just so soft, and they look like they are going to be super freaking comfortable. Okay, gems, so that has been my Splendies unboxing, aka Volupties. You guys, I absolutely love getting underwear in the mail every month. I never know what I'm gonna get. It's always a different option, and I love that this month that I had pretty much an all thong option. Super cute. You guys, the underwear are always bomb. And I will be honest though, there are some times that I do have a fit issue. I'm pretty sure that Splendies will be happy to either switch up your size, or sometimes I just feel like it may be possibly the brand, but the underwear are so affordable that I can't really get upset about it if one pair out of the 3 pair don't really fit. No big deal for me. It's just sometimes the cut is a little funny, and we all have like different body shapes, so some undies may look good on everyone, and some undies are like, no girl, these are not for you, okay? Next. But other than that, I really love my Splendies. I rarely have too many problems with them, and I honestly, like, y'all, these ones right here, there's always one pair in the package that are just like my favorite, and these are it. Like, whoo, okay, these are just sexy. So yeah, if you want to sign up, I will have everything linked down below. You guys can use my code, save you a little bit of coins. It is always worth it to save a little bit of coins, okay? So I'll have all that linked down below. Make sure you thumbs this video up. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification bell, and make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to your girl Queen's channel. So with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Remember, it's not about how much it costs, it's how you apply it. So keep doing your thing and stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye guys.